He'd be long gone before the man could even turn around. Well, that was Carlo's plan. What he hadn't figured on was some belligerent chickens, agile as blue jays and loud as crows. A couple of the ringleaders put the hex on Carlo, and soon the tables were turned. How can you properly steal a chicken when it's pecking your nose off? Carlo knew he ought to get out of here before somebody came. And of course, he was right. Somebody did.
Can't do it. Just can't do it. But you're not gonna get any more of my chickens. So beat it. Out. Out. Out you go. Out you go. Get. And don't come back, you little thief. Especially if my husband's here.
From strange beginnings come strange friendships.